chocolate cake for Sisi.
When did she come back?
She came back yesterday.
And what did she request for you to make for her?
Chocolate cake.
Let's get it done. In a bowl, we're going to add eggs, half cup of buttermilk, 1/3 cup of water. Going to add some vanilla extract, 1/3 cup oil. And we are going to mix everything together. We are adding flour, sugar, cocoa, a pinch of salt, and baking soda. We're going to mix the ingredients together. We're going to combine the two mixtures.
It's a chocolate milk.
I forgot to show you the end, so that's the end, and we are putting it in our baking pan.
Now let's shut this on and make you something new. We make Sisi's cake, and it's so perfect, and Sisi's gonna enjoy that for snack. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. We'll come up with another recipe. Let's keep this journey going.
Bye-bye. Mm-mm-mm.